Hey guys, what's going on today? I'm going to be showing you how to actually take Steam games or anything else that's kind of annoying you on the Launchpad off the Launchpad. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to navigate to the Launchpad. So here we can see all my applications. So I've actually already done it for my Steam games, but it'll be the same process. So let's say you're unable to delete Minecraft, and normally you'd hold it down like this to see if there's a little X that pops up. Of course, in this game it doesn't. So what you actually do is take it, and we'll drag it down to the dock. So once Minecraft is on the dock, we're going to click Options, we're going to click Show in Finder. It's going to pop up here. We're going to right click and move to Trash. Afterwards, you'll go down to the hotbar again, and then you'll just remove it from the dock at that point. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this content and hopefully it helps out. It's super annoying. I definitely didn't know how to delete the games that I downloaded and then deleted later. So I had games on there for like a couple weeks afterwards. Of course, I didn't want them to be on there. So hopefully this helps you guys like it did me. I really appreciate it. And if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.